Algebraic expression. Now, this is a topic in Form 1, and we'll start by definition of what an algebraic expression is. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that can contain ordinary numbers, variables like y and x, and operators like add, subtract, divide, and multiply. Now, by ordinary numbers, we mean the integers, which can be positive or negative. So, e.g., 2 is an ordinary number, -2, 4, and so on and so forth. Now, variables, the most commonly used are y and x, but you can use any other letter like m, n, or a to represent any variable. They also contain operators like add, subtract, divide, and multiply. Now, examples of algebraic expressions are, we have x plus 3y minus 3. So as you can see, we have variables. We also have an ordinary number. We also have operators. Another example is 2y over 4 plus 3x over 2. Now, we can form an algebraic expression from a statement, and that is what we call symbolic representation. Now, consider the statement, Dottie had x mangoes while Betty had y mangoes. How many mangoes did they have altogether? For you to get the total number of mangoes the two had, you will have to add the mangoes that each one of them had. Therefore, total mangoes will be given by x, the mangoes that Dottie had, plus y, the mangoes that Betty had. Now we can consider more examples. So, in examples 1, use letters to represent the statement. A number is multiplied by 3, then 6 is added to the result. So we have a number that we don't know its value. So we can use a letter to represent that number. So let the number be m. Then the number is multiplied by 3. So we have 3 times m, which is equal to 3m. Then 6 is added to the result. Our result was 3m, so we add 6 to 3m, and that gives us 3m plus 6. Then in our example 2, in a mathematics test, 6 pupils obtained the following scores: 40, C, 20, D, E, F. Find the average score. So you realize that if we had 6 pupils, only 2 students we only know the marks for 2 students. The marks for the other 4 have been represented by letters. Now, normally, average in such a case would be given by total marks over the number of pupils. So that would be, all the marks are 40 plus C plus 20 plus D plus E plus F over the number of pupils, which was 6. Now, since 40 and 20 are both numbers, we can add them. So 40 plus 20 gives us 60. Then we add the other letters, since there is no letter that is equal to the other. So that would be 60 plus C plus D plus E plus F over 6. And that is the average.